Hello, I've got a bit of a weird thing happening here. I don't know if it's a bug or what, but I'm on this a module on in Ultra HAR 61006. I've set some discussion boards up in the content, and I'm now just trying to organise them in the discussions tool area into folders. And as you can see, I've got a session 1 here, look, with 2 discussions in, and I can minimise that. That's fine, they work. But session 2, I'm really struggling. So I've got a folder called session 2, and I've got this exercise which currently isn't in the folder. It says the folder is empty. I want to put it in, but I don't know. I'm really struggling. So when I drag it and it doesn't seem to really let me drop it. I can put it above it, but not in it. So if I minimize the folder and then try and drag it, when I drag it over, it does actually open the folder up. Look, but it doesn't let me drop it anywhere. I don't know what I've done wrong. I actually tried deleting the discussion and setting it up again, and it still won't seem to let me drop it into session 2 folder. Am I being stupid or what? Any help would be appreciated.